Hey, welcome to Beaver Coach Sales and Service. I'm Chris Chopa, and we're going to do a walkthrough today of the 2026 Newmar Dutch Star 4369. Follow me inside. Let's take a look at this coach, guys. So welcome to the cockpit of the Dutch Star. This coach is pretty much a rocket ship, and when you're actually getting inside of this motorhome to dial in and using all your features, everything is in one area of the motorhome. You have two 10-inch screens right up front, and they're separated by your camera views and then also your radio. So you have your Sirius dial-in radio, all touch screen, your navigation, and then you separate it to the camera view over here on this other screen that has 5 cameras on board. The OmniView camera set gives you a front camera, a rear camera, and 2 side view cameras. That is separate from your backup camera and then your blinker cameras. And you can see all of those views right on that second screen. Dialing down, you have your air conditioner controls, all your electric visor controls, generator start button function switches. This is just in that center section. Your digital dash is going to be everything else to control this coach. From your actual wheel, you can control the home screen, dial in, go through the different parameters. Newmar has the drive feature called Comfort Drive, and this is a feature on this motorhome that allows you to control the intensity of how tight the wheel is. So if you're driving down the road and you want this to be a little bit tighter at higher speeds while the wind is hitting the motorhome, you just dial up that temperature control, that dial control by the little knob on the right, and it'll bring up the intensity on the wheel, basically allowing you to lightly hold the wheel while driving down the road. This helps with the shoulder pressure, anything that allows you on those long drives to feel fatigued. This will let you cruise the wheel at a lower speed and lower stress on your arms. The nice thing about a Spartan chassis is they haven't changed anything on the Allison transmission shifting pad. On the new Freightliners, which is a great option, your shifting is on the right. For Spartan, kind of like your old generational coaches, you still have your drive, your neutral, and reverse on the left side. So for my longevity, long-term RVers, nothing has changed with Spartan. Then you have your HWH computerized leveling right behind that series. So your automatic leveling jacks are all controlled right behind your shifting pad. Other than that, the other features we can go over in person when you guys come on out to see this coach. This coach definitely has a lot of things to go over that dial in a little bit more fine-tuning when you buy it. At Beaver Coach, we do offer a walkthrough to show you how all of these systems work. So when you step into the Dutch Star series, which is a midline luxury coach for Newmar, you have your entry-level diesels, then you have your midline coaches, which is like your Vitana, your Dutch Star Newer, and then you get to the luxury line. The Dutch Star falls right in the middle. And you start getting a little bit different options with type of furniture, type of setup on the ambiance of the flooring, and the wood options. For example, the theater seating is a little bit larger and more plush. I'm about a 6'1", 200-pound guy, and I have plenty of room on both sides of this chair, electrically driven to drive out the seats, and kick back comfortably and enjoy this area for my front-facing 55-inch screen TV. So this point is that it opens up the coach having a full wall slide, opposing another wall slide when you're entertaining and you're just hanging back out in the coach. So panning over where this 55-inch screen is, if you do have guests over and you have family staying, kids, anybody else, you have a pull-out bed. And it's very easy to make. There's not a lot of movement to setting this bed up. You just kind of pull the cushions off, find a good place to store them, and then once you pull out the actual mattress in the bed, it has a fold from the back, you pull it down, and you're almost ready to sleep. Because if you find yourself going to Target or Costco or one of these stores, just find yourself a 3-inch pad, roll it out, and you almost have a queen-size bed set up right here to sleep. Very easy, takes about 20 seconds to set up. A lot of coaches in the industry have a lot of different patterns to opening these things. I find the Newmar line very easy to use, user-friendly. And at Beaver Coach, we like to take our time as a sales guy or even my team to walk through and show you how all this equipment works. Separating ourselves from the industry at Beaver Coach is a big point of our service to you guys. Service is a secret. So let's have some fun with this. Clearly, this is a beautiful coach. Clearly, there's beautiful wood. This wood is called chestnut. That's the variant that's optioned from Newmar. Diving into the nice, beautiful plush seating as well. The way that this works is you have a nice setup area for you and your partner to sit down, have a nice brunch, enjoy the food. But let's say you invite those guests over. How does that work? Well, there's 2 chairs stored under the king bed in the back, and there's also 2 leaves back there. Plug in both those leaves, put those chairs around the table, and now you got a setup for the card games and adding people to the dinner table. Cool feature for a true porcelain table. Very heavy writing table that slides right in, nice and easy, plugs back away. Now let's talk about the kitchen. What really defines the nice setup for a Newmar kitchen is the extra prep space you have. You have your standard prep space on the table around your induction cooktop, but if you need a little bit more, the This extra cabinet space actually pops out and gives you a little bit more countertop space or prep space with long depth cabinets. So as you can see, they stretch out, they're not half cut like a lot of the other brands out there, and you have a lot of storage within the cabinets to put things away. This to me is one of the better features for kitchen space all around that induction cooktop. And what's really nifty about the Newmar induction cooktop is that it's removable. So induction cooktop meaning that it's cold to the touch, hot to the touch immediately. Take it outside, go plug it in downstairs in one of the 110 ports, and you don't have to cook all that high frying food inside when someone's sleeping. You don't cook outside and use this as your griddle. And that is all around that big farm tub sink where it's spaced and cut in half, where you can put big giant bowls, big pots and pans, separated from small dishes. This is a great space for a true residential setup that they offer from Newmar and the Dutch Star. So the 4369 floor plan really stands out because of the spacing on where the refrigerator is located, opposing that half bath. So separate from the kitchen that we just went over, the refrigerator is on the slide side of the coach, wall slide. And in this fridge, as you can see, it's residential. You have all the depth like you would at home to store the milk, the orange juice, the food, beer, whatever you want to put in there. You got lots of space, including a separate freezer with a double-sided compartment where you can put lower side food and higher side food. And then for all your food and things that you need to be pantry stored, the 4369 has the larger set cupboard with pull-out trays, and they're all lit by LED lights. So you have 6 drawers all the way down to the side, lots more extra pantry space separate from your kitchen that you can put next to the fridge, and not have to worry about hiding things in random cupboards all over the coach. What's really nice about a Newmar bedroom is you feel like you're right at home. This whole bedroom has a king-size bed, all encompassed around that chestnut wood, and you have wooden balances, you have electric drapes that drop down from a little remote control, or you can press touchscreen then throughout the coach on the different dial pads around here to make everything move automatically. Your centerline king-size bed is right center front and center of your 43-inch Samsung TV. Smart TV, may I add. So you got your Rokus, all your smart little dials to watch whatever you want. That TV is already pre-pressed for it. And you're set by 2 cupboards on each side for his and her cupboard, by 6 drawers under that TV. Like I mentioned, this is a true residential bedroom, so if you don't mind, I'm going to close these big heavy wooden doors and I'm going to take a nap. I'll talk to you guys soon. So welcome to the master bathroom on a Newmar, which gives you a 50 by 40 shower. That is plenty of room to take a shower, move around, sit on that back seat in there, let that water shower just hit you right in the top of the head. And since this coach has a hydronic heating system by Oasis, consistent hot water all the time. And if you're boondocking, it's got an aquamizer, saving the water, running it back to the fresh tank rather, and recycling it through. So you always have water to shower that always stays hot. And you do have a washer and dryer, of course, because if it didn't, that would just be weird. But we order all our coaches, and we order these specialized from Newmar with the washer and dryer option. And you do have 2 balances. So you have your his and her sinks. So if your wife's getting ready in the morning and she doesn't kick you out to that other half bath, you can still stay in here, get ready together, and enjoy the comforts on a Sunday of your rear bathroom. And yes, there's plenty of room for her shoes and your clothes to the side, but her clothes can hang here, tuck all her shoes there, and you have plenty of space to put extra baggage, luggage, extra linens, all in the back cupboard of the coach. It's a perfect setup for a couple hitting the road in retirement. Let us at Beaver Coach help you find the right one. This might be it, the Dutch Star 4369. So the big Dutch Star 43 footer, 43 feet 10 inches to be exact, is graphicked with the Lisette paint. That paint is really unique because it's actually named after a small Dutch town, the flower city of the world actually, and the Dutch Star kind of encompasses in the name brand itself. But this coach, this little fun fact for you, has 3 slide out trays, all manual, where you can put so much stuff under this coach when you guys are out on the road. It's unreal. And this is centered in the middle of the coach, right next to your Dometic freezer. This freezer is electric and it drives as a freezer or a fridge. You can actually set the temperature on it to whatever control setting you want, and make sure you can put either freezer items or just quick drinks to have inside of there if you guys are hanging out. The double Girard awnings. So these awnings on this coach actually canopy the entire length of the motorhome. I have one of them out right now just to kind of show you how much space you have under one of these. But they are electric computer system awnings, meaning that if the wind starts kicking in, they are going to drive back in on their own. But I would still pay attention to weather, because if you see the weather coming, you might want to go in manually and get those awnings in quicker than expected. But let's head down the side of this coach. So this coach, as I mentioned, is on the Spartan chassis. The K2 chassis is the identifier for which variant it is. And this coach has the 450 horsepower Cummins motor. What that produces is about 1,250 pounds of foot torque from the motor, allowing you to take on those hills at, the speed limit, but not feel any change in your fuel economy. This is a lot of power on this motorhome to hit the roads and feel like you're comfortably traveling the United States with a tow vehicle that's not going to feel like you're pulling it behind you and stressing the motor out. This coach actually does have a 15,000 pound hitch. So your standard vehicle you're pulling like a Jeep, you're not going to even feel it behind you. That is a great idea to think about when you're choosing your tow vehicle on a coach like this. And lastly, the nice thing about a Dutch Star is because of that 450 horsepower motor option, you do have a side draft radiator that I'll show you in a second here. But this gives you full access to the motor. So if you're driving down the road in the middle of Texas and you need to stop over because you need to check something out on one of your belts, you have full access to your motor by hand. You need to pull out some service to come help you out. You don't have a back radiator here blocking the motor. Your radiator, like I was saying I was going to show you, is on the side of the coach. So all that air draft is pulling from the side, not blowing dirt in the motor. Another huge feature option that you get on the Dutch Star option with Newmar's and up. So you guys see that rear tag? That is one axle, one wheel on each side. This wheel actually passively turns when you make your left and right turns under 25 miles an hour. That is a cool feature because at 43 feet, when you're turning into sharp campgrounds and sharp areas of town, that extra 17% cut you get on these wheels makes this 43-foot coach feel like you're turning a 36-footer. So one really cool feature you see on Newmar is that passive steering tag axle.